Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running Ubuntu 24.04 and you want a simple, free, and lightweight way to record your screen, this video is for you. Today I'm showing you how to install and use Kazam, one of the easiest screen recorders for Linux. Let's jump right in. Before you install any software, it is a good idea to update your system. You can then install Kazam using this command. It's a lightweight app, so the installation is super quick. Once installed, you can launch Kazam from your applications menu or by typing Kazam in the terminal. Click on File, then select Preferences. Click on the Screencast tab. Here you can set frames per second. 15 to 30 is good for most recordings video format. I recommend MP4 for compatibility, automatic file saving if you want, and the directory where to save the videos. Take a moment to configure these to your liking, then click Close. Capture cursor. Enable this if you want to show mouse movements. You can also enable sound from speakers or the microphone. Make sure your correct microphone is selected if you're doing a voiceover. Now let's record. You have three main options. Full screen records your entire display window, records a specific application window area, lets you select a custom region. I'll choose full screen for this demo. When you click it, you'll get a 5-second countdown before recording starts. That's it, you're recording the screen. When you want to stop, look for the small red record icon in the system tray at the top right. Click it and select Finish Recording. Kazam will then ask if you want to save the file. Now, before we go further, let me explain something important. If you try recording with Kazam or OBS and any other video software on Ubuntu 24.04 and your final video comes out completely black, don't panic. This is a very common issue. Kazam was designed for the older display system called X11, not the newer Wayland session used by default in Ubuntu 24.04. Wayland has much stricter security rules and screen recording limitations. So when Kazam tries to capture your screen on Wayland, it thinks it's recording, but the output ends up being a black video. No desktop, no windows, just black. Disable Wayland and save the file, then reboot the system. And that's how you record your screen in Ubuntu 24.04 using Kazam. It's simple, lightweight, and perfect for tutorials, gaming, or software demos. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more Linux and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.